If you want to make money fast with CPA marketing using the paid traffic sources right now, why not just simply watch this video and actually use this video to make similar amounts to how I actually made right here with CPA Grip right now, and you can actually start making some cool cash right now. And guys, do watch this video right here to the end to learn this exact same strategy, as if you don't, you might actually find it difficult implementing this exact same strategy right now. And with that being said, and no much delay of time, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So firstly guys, you want to head on to a CPA marketing platform and do go on to getting a CPA marketing offer to promote. And I'm going to be using the CPA Grip right now. If you don't have an account, a register icon right here will be shown in the dashboard or the home page of this particular platform. You want to click on that icon and just simply go on to registering for an account, of which guys, you want to fill out the form appropriately and agree to the terms of services, then go on to registering for your account, and you should be brought to a dashboard such as this once you do log into your account. And what you want to do next is to just simply click on offer tools and click on my offers. And once you do that guys, you will be brought to this page where you can see multiple CPA marketing offers which you could go on to promoting. Right now, you want to just simply select a country of your choice which you want to drive traffic to or promote its CPA marketing offers. I'm just going to go to selecting the United Kingdom right now. And if I do that right here and this page loads up, I will be able to see offers available to that demographic. And it is quite important that you do go on to selecting a sweepstake offer to go on to promoting that right now. And this is actually an example of a sweepstake offer or a giveaway offer, which is for a 5,000 V-Bucks in Fortnite. And you could actually do go to promoting this offer and earn $1.71 once you do get a successful lead to this particular offer right now. And guys, you can see that it's an Android offer and also an email and zip submit offer. Here is your unique affiliate link to go on to promoting this offer. So copy this link right now and actually take advantage of this to promote your offer using this simple platform right now, which is called the propellerads.com. So if you do head on to Propeller Ads, this is actually an ad platform you can actually take advantage of, because you can gain access to any of these ad formats right now: the in-page push notification, the push notification, the interstitial, and the pop under notification. So if you do come onto this platform, what you want to do is to click on start and register for an account for absolutely free right now. If you do register for an account, you should be brought to a dashboard such as this once you do log into your account. Do go on to clicking on add funds, and if you do click on add funds, you can fund your account via any one of these options which are actually available to you right now. Once you do that, go on to clicking on create campaign and actually start promoting your offer right now. So for the campaign name, you want to give it a simple name right now, and I'm just going to name it something similar to this offer right here, or I'm just going to use exactly the same title to this offer as the name right here on Propeller Ads. So once I paste in that, I'm also going to go on to selecting this push notification ad format. If I do that, I'm going to go on to selecting the pricing model next, which is actually the cost per click. That's what I want to use right now for this offer. I'm going to turn off the in-page push notification and only use the classic notification right now. And for this right here, you want to paste in the URL to that CPA marketing offer which you want to promote right now. Go on to CPA Grip, copy the link, and actually head back to this platform, paste in that right now. And if you do own the landing page to this particular offer, click on this particular icon right now or this checkbox. So once that is done, head on to this section which says traffic source, and you can either use only the traffic or Propeller Ads or other partner traffics right now. And I'm also only going to use the exclusive inventory traffic, so I'm going to turn off this partner traffic. For the user activity, I'm going to leave it as it is. For the countries and bid section, you want to select the United Kingdom right here. So if I do select the United Kingdom right now, for the CPC, you want to put in something slightly above the recommended. So if I do go to putting in something like 0.12, and if I do fixing that amount right now, I can actually do go on to targeting my location by cities or by state. I'm going to leave it on by cities. And for this section, you want to keep on scrolling through so you could get to this advertising budget. Right now in this section, fixing the amount which you want to use to run your campaign. Supposing I want to run my campaign using an amount of maybe say $350 right now, and I want to just simply run this campaign for 5 days or 7 days. If I want to use 7 days, I'm going to divide $350 by 7, and that's actually going to leave me with $50 for each day. So once you fix in this particular budget, this particular stuff is actually going to make sure that it doesn't spend more than this amount right now for this particular campaign. And guys, if you do have much more than this particular amount on your wallet on Propeller Ads, it's not going to exceed this amount right here to run this particular campaign. And once you're done, go on to this targeting platform and either select either the mobile devices or desktop. And you can see right now that this offer is actually available for mobile devices, which is actually the Android devices. So I'm just going to come right here, click on mobile right now. Once I select that, for the OS, you want to select Android, and you can then just simply keep on scrolling through. Now in this interest section, you want to select the interest of this offer. If it's a gaming offer, select that. If it's a giveaway offer, select that. And the Fortnite right now is actually a gaming offer. So if I just select the iGaming right now, I'm just going to leave this unchecked because this offer is not gender specific. If I do keep on scrolling through, I can actually do head on to this creative section, and this section is what determines how your ad is actually going to go on to looking like. So right now guys, I can actually do go on to editing my ad title, and if I do edit that, I'm just going to come right here, use exactly the same title as in CPA Grip. If I copy that, head back to this platform and paste in that right now. Now you can see I've exceeded the maximum amount of characters which I can use for my title right now. So I'm just going to go on to reducing this right here to something such as this, and this is actually available or quite okay right now. For the description, you want to do something similar, copy exactly the same description right now and head on to this platform and paste in that right in here. So I've exceeded the maximum amount of characters which I can actually do use. So I'm just going to reduce this particular text right now, and you could see this is actually okay. Now for this particular icon images or landscape images right now, you want to just simply use the similar image right here as in CPA Grip, or you could get an image online for this particular game and make use of that. So right now I'm just going to right click on this image, click on save image as. I'm going to save this image on my device. If I do that, I'm going to head back to this platform, click on upload image, and I can then just simply select that exact image, click on open and select this section which I want to show right now in this image. So I'm just going to click on crop image, and that has actually been inserted. For the upload or landscape section, you want to do the same thing right now, and right here I'm just going to go on to selecting this particular section right here to show for this particular image. And if I do click on crop, you can see how it's going to look like right here in this preview section. For Android devices, this is how it's going to look like for Windows devices and also the Mac OS devices. So once you're done with that, simply keep on scrolling through, and you want to make sure you do add in multiple creatives so that you can actually do get more advantage when it comes to getting better conversions to this particular campaign right now. And you could see right here that it is recommended you do go on to add in at least 4 creatives or more right here for this single offer. And for each creative, you want to use in a different icon, a different banner, and also a different text combination right here for each creative right there. And once you're done, simply go on to checking this box right now to agree and declare that your campaign actually meets the quality guideline. Once you're done with that, just simply click on start campaign, and your campaign will begin to run on this platform, and your CPA marketing offer will be promoted, of which you can actually do start making similar amount to how I'm making right here, because you're going to be getting a lot of traffic to that offer and a lot of conversions right now. So with that being said, I hope this video have been of help to you. If yes, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bells are turned on all so that I could always alert you whenever I have more videos that could be helpful to you in making extra income online. So that's it for now guys. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.